Are you having trouble getting to sleep, staying asleep, or waking unrefreshed? Could your sleep be better? If so, then this information's for you. I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. I'm talking to my patients every day in clinic about how to improve their sleep quality. Unrefreshing sleep is such a common issue reported to us here in the clinic, which is why I felt it was so important to get this information out there to you. As I mentioned in video 1, many of us are eating, sleeping, and working at hours that are at odds with our biological clock, leading to circadian rhythm disruption. If you missed last week's video, please put that in the comments below and we can send you the link. Today, I'm talking about sleep timing. I've got 5 tips to improve your sleep and optimize your circadian rhythm. Number 1, maintain regular sleep cycles. Sleep and wake at the same consistent time each day, even on your weekends. Number 2, go to sleep as close to sunset and wake as close to sunrise as is practical. Number 3, prioritise sleep from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. This is when our main physical healing happens, and only if we're asleep. Number 4, spend the first 20 minutes of your day outside in the sun, preferably without sunglasses. The light that enters your eyes in that time signals your brain that it's daytime. And number 5, spend 10 minutes outside just before sunset. As the blue light dwindles, the body receives a signal that it's wind down time. So, which of these 5 points do you believe you could benefit from the most? So those 5 points again. 1, sleeping and waking at the same time every day. 2, sleeping near sunset and waking at sunrise. Number 3, prioritizing sleep from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Number 4, 20 minutes of your day outside in the morning. Or number 5, spending 10 minutes outside before sunset. Make sure you integrate at least one of these into your routine to reset your circadian rhythm and improve the quality of your sleep. Thank you so much for joining me. It's really exciting for me to get this information out there and help you guys out. See you next week. Bye for now.